The Boy Who Turned Dirt into Gold, a realistic emotional story of a normal man who became a millionaire by 25. Once upon a time, in a small, rented apartment in Cebu City, lived a boy who had nothing, no money, no support, just a head full of dreams and a heart that refused to quit. His name was Rayan. At 19, he worked 3 part-time jobs: call center, delivery, and weekend cashier, barely making enough to feed his family. Every night, while the world slept, he watched videos about real estate, investments, mindset, and entrepreneurship. One day, he stumbled upon an idea. What if, instead of selling his time for money, he sold value? What if he could connect people to homes they were searching for? He didn't own a single condo, but he started acting like a bridge between buyers and developers. No capital, just hustle. Ma, we're going to be okay, I promise. From one deal to 100. From Facebook listings to building a personal brand. By 23, he had helped over 300 families find homes and built partnerships with top developers in Cebu. At 25, he boarded a private jet for the first time as a guest, but as the owner. His dream car? A white Rolls-Royce, parked outside the luxury condo he once only showed to others. But he never forgot. The empty stomach, the nights with no electricity, the tears his mother hid. That pain became his fuel, that hunger, his superpower. You don't need to be born rich to live richly. You just need to believe in something more. Start with 0 and never stop until you're the reason someone else believes they can too. This is not just a story. It's possible. It's real. Start today. Change everything. TAFTLIVINGPH. Real dreams, real people, real results.